diet, and I started with 88 and I ended weighing 84. It was welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, don't make this your last time, subscribe and turn on your post notification to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And also thumbs up this video, leave a comment down in the comment section. My face seriously so shiny from my skincare, like how shiny my face is. But that's by the way. I wanted to show you guys my colors that I did. I used this Relax and I left it in for like a month and a week. I put it in, let's say, a week before I made the braids I was using in my last vlog. I was like, okay, let me just put it in pending when I take out my braids, and I would like to carry my hair for like a week before making new braids. So I just took it out, and this is me taking it out.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Remember when I bought this board and I told you guys, don't worry, I have use for it. I'm not just buying it because I want to buy it. This is the use. So I made like weekly food timetable, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Ignore my handwriting, don't look at it. But yeah, I'm about to make moin. Very easy moin. I don't even have fish, so I'm just going to use egg and crayfish for the moin. I'm going to talk really fast because my camera is going to go off at any moment. So I don't know if you watched my last video till the end. I talked about doing the egg diet and it was amazing. The first day was terrible. I kept thinking about food. Then the second day I was okay. I was not really thinking about food. Okay, but the third day I was so frustrated. I wanted to eat, but I stuck through it and I said, see, on Monday before I ate something light. So I started the egg diet from on Friday, Saturday, then ended it on Sunday. yeah, so I ate 3 eggs, 1 cup of green tea in the morning, then in the afternoon 3 eggs, 1 apple, green tea, then in the evening oats, nothing, with nothing, just oats like that, no sugar, no milk, nothing, oats and green tea. That was all I ate for 3 days, and I lost 4 kg. This was me before the egg diet, and this is me after the egg diet. Like, I was weighing 88 when I started the egg diet, and end of the 3 days egg diet I was weighing 84. I started with 88 and I ended weighing 84. It was amazing, and my camera went off, so I'm filming on my phone right now. So as I was saying, it was really impressive, like losing 4 kg in three days. And yeah, so just have it in the back of your mind. If you want to do the 3 days egg diet, just know at some point you're going to feel miserable and tired and you want to quit. Me, I really like food, so I was really thinking about food for the first day and the last day. I was just thinking about food. The 3rd day I was like, okay, fine, let me just give up and go and eat. But I stuck to it. Like I said, I ate something really light the next day morning, which was on Monday. It was amazing. And also, I've done 3 days water fast before. I really documented it. I will leave it down in the description, so click it if you want to see my 3 days water fast. I documented the 3 days, so if you want to watch it, I'll leave it down in the description. Go and watch it. And something I would say, if you're doing this, just know if you lose weight like this very fast, you might gain it very, very fast. So that is why I'm trying to eat healthy now. So yeah, just have that in the back of your mind. So after going through that stress, you would need to start eating healthy and trying to watch your weight. I'm sweating. I heard online that people stop doing their skincare because of the heat in Nigeria, like the heat. But me, I don't want my skincare to expire, so I'm using my skincare, because if you stop using it now, it might expire, especially vitamin C serum. If you stop using it now, it might expire. And I'm sweating really bad. I'm now wearing wig again, and I still want to cook right now. Much later now. The time is 7:40. It is late. I'm using my tabletop ring light, the one I showed you in previous vlog, and it's pretty okay. I'm managing one light, so there's one light on in my room. See, I don't know what is happening now, but lights in Abuja right now, or at least where I'm staying right now, the light has not been constant. Like the light, I think today, if you combine the time they've been bringing and taking the light, it's not up to 2 hours. Like they'll bring it, they'll take it, they'll bring it, they'll take it. If you combine everything, not up to 2 hours. But yeah, that's by the way. I had a pretty okay day. I have been editing. Like, I have been editing. I am so tired of even opening my editing app. Like, opening it is going to get me angry. So yeah, that is all I've been doing today, editing. And you saw the rest things I did today. And also, I'm trying a new, I just washed my face with my face wash. I'm about to rubbing this toner on my face. So I'll be trying a new editing style, I think, with this video. And I don't know, just let me know what you think in the comment section. It will be like my normal editing, but a little bit different. But just let me know what you think about this video, trying your editing style. Like I said, just let me know. Yeah, I have lots of scarring because I don't know, I've been pinching. If I just see any pimple, I'll just pinch it out. It's a very bad habit. Side is better, but this side, pinching. I can hear the inverter noise. I think it will go off at any moment. Like, let's say in 30 minutes time it will go off. So I'm just going to hurry up and do my nighttime routine before it goes off, because I don't know if they'll give us light today, you know. But yeah, like I said, I had a pretty okay day. Today was okay, normal. And yeah, even though I did not even go out, I did not leave my house one bit, but it was a very okay day. Eye patch, look at my under eye. It needs this, like, you really need it. So I don't think I'll use my moisturizer this night, because no light, everywhere is going to be hot, like really hot. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do not forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. Subscribe if you are new. I would appreciate it if you subscribe, turn on your post notification to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And also give this video a big thumbs up. Yes, please. You know, all these things here, it will help to push my videos to, you know, more people. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you watching my video till the end. Thank you so much. Yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.